Today we're going to put a twist on the common bacon wrapped dates by turning them into dim sum balls. Simply make them like everybody else starting off. Wrap your date and bake them. For this next part, I steamed a yam personally, but there are lots of different options to mix with your flour. If you're having problems pinching off your dumplings or balls, use a little bit of water.
I forget, like, it seems so easy to me, but like to other people, it looks like that.
Thanks for joining us for this easy DIY dim sum how-to.